Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade A33 Plus. This version 2GB memory and 32GB internal memory in the blue color device. Okay, open box and look computation. In the box we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable and protected film for screen. Device made plastic, camera on the back side, LED. On the front side we have 6.3-inch display. On this side power key and power button and volume buttons. Left side micro USB port, upside headphones jack. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, we have Android 12, close this, Antutu benchmark, results Antutu benchmark we have, Antutu benchmark doesn't work. We have CPU Unisoc SC9863 and PowerWare Roach 8322. GTA San Andreas not work on this device, PUBG Mobile not work on this device, only standoff 2 we have play in the mining games. Camera we have 8 megapixels, single camera. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.